Hey there, you need video testimonials of your happy clients. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to film them, including showing you the gear that we use to do it. I'm going to actually show you the setup and exactly how to do it. Now, you need to send your crew out on the last day of the job when the punch list is all complete. That is when the energy is highest, and that is exactly when you want to shoot a video testimonial for a happy customer. A video testimonial can be worth tens, hundreds, even hundreds of thousands, even over $1 million. A single video testimonial. Your competition is not doing it, and I encourage you to watch this video until the end to see exactly why and how to film awesome video testimonials to put on your website, to use for your Facebook, YouTube, anywhere that you are talking with customers. So let's first talk about why video testimonials. So number one, real clients sell better than ads. We're a marketing company. We help contractors. I've got a lot of construction experience myself, built houses, done many remodels and additions. I've been there, and I've been in your shoes trying to sell my own services, and video testimonials is absolutely key to do that. Homeowners trust another homeowner's face and way more than any kind of sales message or any type of ad. Number two is it builds instant trust. We all have really a lack of trust in the modern environment. Okay, the internet is a beautiful thing, but it has also created all types of scams and hucksters. You've gotten burned. I've gotten burned. You and I have both spent tens of thousands of dollars on the wrong stuff online. You probably spent tens of thousands of dollars on marketing companies like ours and not gotten a great result. I get it. But there's a lack of trust. And when someone sees a smiling client in their home on camera, it feels way more real than even the 5-star reviews on your Google business profile. Number three is that it converts leads faster. So a video testimonial is not a lead channel. It's not like Google ads or Facebook ads. But when someone sees your Google ads or your Facebook ads or SEO or gets a referral, that's how you've grown your business mostly, a video testimonial is going to nudge them into the direction of becoming a client. It's going to do the selling for you. And we want to do as much of that as we can. We want something that's automated and that it's sort of like omnipresent, evergreen, out there selling for you. Number four, it shows and it doesn't just tell. And so a camera on the space, then cutting to the client, saying, we love this, that's proof. Look, at the end of the day, we all want proof. Okay, when I'm doing selling over here, you want proof. So you need to prove that you guys do amazing work. And the best way that you can do that is for you to show a happy customer. It's very difficult to get someone to lie on camera, right? I mean, you're leveraging their own credibility. When you ask people to do video testimonials, not everybody's going to say yes, okay? Probably maybe 40% are going to say yes. You need to ask that in kind of a friendly, easy way, non-confrontational. But it's very easy. It's very difficult to get someone to misrepresent themselves and the experience that they had on camera. We all know that. And so when we see it, we believe it. Next, it tells a story, not just a rating. So you've already got 4.8 stars or five stars on Google. However, we want to do even better than that. We want to tell a story. And so we really want to follow the story arc in the testimonial. What's the story arc? It's the hero's journey. It's Star Wars. It's all the great movies in Hollywood. Okay, basically is problem, worst problem, solution. I was thinking about doing a remodel in my kitchen. I didn't know who to trust. I did a lot of research, but then and then we decided actually not to do it. But then something's changed. We had a baby. Our life changed, and we really needed to do that kitchen remodel. We were going to put our house on Airbnb. We needed it to happen, and so we decided to hire these guys, and they did an amazing job for us. I highly recommend them. What I just kind of riffed on there is the 3-part story arc: problem, worst problem, solution. Next is that it humanizes the brand. So clients see real people, real homes, and real crews, not just logos and brochures. A lot of folks think about their website as an online kind of pamphlet. That's not what it is. Okay. It's so much more than that. But that's what we see everywhere when we look around. We see these online pamphlets everywhere, like a old trifold brochure. Well, this really humanizes the brand. It makes the brand kind of jump off of the trifold, and it gets real. Next, it beats fake or thin reviews. So a video with a face, name, and home is obviously real, not just some 5-star review. We all know that we can fake 5-star reviews, get your mom to write a review, whatever. And so videos beat that. Next, it has rich details, not just stars. So clients talk about, your clients talk about communication, timelines, quality, hiccups. This really adds a lot of kind of richness to the brand and to the story. Next is that it works everywhere. And so you can put this on your website, your Google business profile. You can put it in your ads, emails, proposals. One video you can use many, many times. And it differentiates you in a crowded market. When two bids are neck and neck, the contractor with strong video testimonials wins. Okay, this is not to be underrated. This maybe should have been the first thing. People, they ask me, how are we different when we talk to them about using our services? They want to know how you're different. Okay, your competitors, go look at their websites. You're going to see they don't have video testimonials. And the ones that do have the video testimonials, that's your strongest competition, and you know it. Okay, so I'm not talking about 20 video testimonials here. I'm talking about 2 or 3. Okay, so I really want to encourage you to really focus on this here this coming year and into the future. If you can collect 2, 3, 5, 10 video testimonials, you don't have to use all of them. No one cares if you use their video testimonial or not. You may shoot it and not use it, but it's going to create a huge difference in how you convert. You will notice, and people will tell you, I was thinking about working with you. I was thinking about working with someone else, and then I saw the video testimonials on your site, and it really made a difference. Okay, so we're going to talk quickly about how you shoot a video testimonial like this. I'm actually going to walk you through the gear that we use. Hang tight here because this is really valuable. I'm going to make this really easy for you. Now, we used a few different ways that we film, but this simple little setup right here is amazing. This is a DJI lavalier. This is the receiver that goes on the iPhone, plugs into the iPhone right here. This is the receiver that's got a magnet on the back here. That magnet, you take it apart, you put it under your shirt, you put it here, you kind of pair it with the phone, it immediately plugs in. Now, you can use audio or not, and I'm going to shoot just a little bit without the audio, just using the iPhone audio, and I'm going to shoot with this little lav, and you'll see the difference. Right here is the Amazon page that we use to do this. Stop the video, screenshot this, go order it. This is going to make all the difference. A lot of folks just focus on the quality of the video. Audio is at least as important, if not more important, than the video itself. How do you deal with lighting? Just film outside. Okay, that's the simple answer. You can film right out in front of someone's home. Now, we can get as elaborate as we want with this. You can have a video editor deal with it. However, one take on an iPhone is all that you need. So literally, your GM, the guy on site, can just hold the camera and film, can put it on a very simple kind of monopod and film. Right here is the kind of monopod that we use. Go ahead and stop the video, screenshot this, just buy it. It's cheap. You'll need a phone holder that fits on that and screws right into the top of it. But this is all very simple, very easy gear. Now look, these video testimonials are incredibly powerful. And so what I want you to do is actually spiff your guys on bringing you a video testimonial. And even if it's not perfect, tell them right away, look, when you get to the end of a job, we get to the end of that punch list, right then, that is the moment to do it. I want you to ask Sally Homeowner to film a very quick video testimonial. And when you bring that back to me, I'm going to pay you $50, $100. Boom, it's going to get added right to your paycheck. Okay, so Pay your guys to bring you a video testimonial. It's extra work for them. They're going to be kind of uncomfortable doing it. They're going to get better at it. Don't worry about the quality of it. They'll get better. Okay. So next, I'm going to show you exactly what the setup is and what this looks like to ask a homeowner to shoot a video testimonial and for that homeowner to film it and bring that back to you. Okay, and right here, this is what it sounds like with no external audio. Without this mic and without this mic turned on, the mics are turned off, and this is what the iPhone audio sounds like. And you can hear that it's not the best audio. It's not the end of the world, and if this is all that you have, no problem. But this mic's very low cost, it's easy to set up, and so for really pro results, I would recommend that you use an external lavalier microphone. And so for the rest of this video, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you exactly how to teach your team to shoot a video testimonial. At the end of a project, that is the very highest level of satisfaction that someone's going to have. Okay, so right when the job is complete, it's when people are most excited to tell everybody else what a great job you guys have done. Now again, maybe 25 to 40% of your customers are going to be willing to shoot a video testimonial. And you don't want to put them on the spot too much. And so we want to just ask really friendly in a really gentle way if they'd be open to that, and then we just want to quickly kind of move through it. Ask them to put on a lavalier mic and just shoot an honest testimonial, and they can say, I don't know what to say, and say, well, you can just talk about what you were concerned about when you were looking for us, and then talk about the project, and what happened and the result that we got for you. It's very simple. One thing I would suggest is that the person holding the camera or the person who has set everything up and is standing behind the kind of monopod, that they not just stare right at the customer client while they're filming the testimonial. Sometimes people can feel nervous about that. So visibly look away. You don't need to watch how it's all happening. So when you tell your guys, tell them this, say, look, don't just stare them down while they're filming it. Okay, you're going to get a more sort of natural, less nervous video. All right, so here we go. Hey Janet, it's been so great working on this project together. What do you think?
I love it. You guys have done a great job. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, so we did a big remodel and did a lot of flooring for you guys. You guys have been great to work with. Listen, I wonder if you'd be willing to shoot kind of a quick video testimonial for us. It really helps us help other customers and other people here in the neighborhood who are looking for a remodel project. Would you be open to that?
I guess I'd be open to that, sure.
Okay. I'm just going to set up a little tripod, and then I'm going to just film it right on my camera. I'm going to have you put on a kind of a little lavalier mic. We'll get that all set up. Nothing to be nervous about, right? It's just tell what your experience has been and what you thought of the project. Does that sound good?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay. I'm going to get this all set up, and then we will film this here in just a couple of minutes, okay?
Okay. Hi there, my name's Janet, and I just had Rocket Remodel complete a big project at my house. They did a full kitchen remodel as well as almost all the flooring in my house. So it was a big project, and it took a while. And I shopped around because I wanted someone that I felt confident to be in my house every day, that I felt confident could do the quality of work that I wanted to have happen, and also just generally had a good reputation that I felt good about working with. I wanted to know that when the job was finished, that it would actually be finished, and that there wouldn't be a bunch of things that were missed or loose ends, if you will. And what my experience has been with Rocket Remodel is really kind of exceptional and a stellar experience overall. The crew, they showed up on time every day. They communicated directly with me, via text, and helped me understand where we were at, that we were hitting the milestones that we kind of agreed on. And ultimately, I had a few changes as well to the original project, and they were very accommodating and helped me understand that those were happening, and didn't didn't scoff at me for having a few things that I wanted to have changed. It was actually a little nerve-wracking for me to say, ooh, actually, I want this over here instead of over there. And they were flexible. They understood, and they worked with me to make that happen. So I recommend them wholeheartedly. If you're thinking about hiring a remodeler, hire Rocket Remodel. They did a fantastic job, and all of the things that I was concerned about became a non-issue within just a few days of seeing how these guys work. So hire Rocket Remodel. They're going to do a great job.
Great, so that's a project, very easy. We've got a monopod, an iPhone, a lavalier mic that you can use or not use. You can film outdoors where there's great lighting. This actually looks pretty good as well, so I just decided to go ahead and film it indoors to get a nice kind of shot of the kitchen here. Testimonials are key. This is how to shoot them. Spiff your team. Tell them, they're going to be a little nervous to do it. Tell them, look, if you set this up, get it right, I'm going to pay you 50 or 100 bucks. And get those video testimonials. It's going to help you convert and ultimately bring you a lot more revenue this year and beyond. Thanks for watching.